Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. From Versailles to your backyard, essential Baroque elements. The grandeur of French Baroque gardens, epitomized by the legendary gardens of Versailles, can feel like a distant fantasy. However, the core principles that define this opulent style can be adapted to bring a touch of formal elegance and dramatic structure to any outdoor space. This style is not about replicating a palace grounds, but rather about capturing its spirit of order, control, and theatricality. By focusing on a few key elements, you can transform your own backyard into a landscape of refined beauty. The goal is to impose a sense of human design upon the natural world, creating an outdoor room. Let's explore the essential ideas that can make this transformation possible. At the very heart of every French Baroque garden lies a strong central axis that organizes the entire landscape. This main line of sight creates an immediate sense of order, balance, and purposeful design, drawing the eye toward a focal point. Everything from pathways, flower beds, and hedges is arranged symmetrically on either side of this line to reinforce the perfect harmony. This geometric precision is not accidental. It is a deliberate expression of the era's belief in human reason triumphing over untamed nature. You can implement this by establishing a clear central path in your garden, flanked by matching potted plants or clipped shrubs. This simple structure provides the formal backbone upon which all other decorative elements can be built, bringing a piece of Versailles grandeur home. The Baroque style is inherently theatrical, using plants and water not as wild elements, but as controlled components of a living performance. Plants are meticulously sculpted into precise forms, with parterres, those intricate, low-lying patterns of boxwood and colored gravel, acting like embroidered carpets viewed from above. Tall, tightly clipped hedges, known as bosquets, form green walls that define outdoor rooms and create surprises around corners. Water is equally mastered, serving as a dynamic element that reflects light and adds movement through calm pools, spouting fountains, or gentle cascades. In a modern context, this translates to using well-defined topiary, orderly planting schemes, and even a simple birdbath or recirculating fountain. These elements introduce the Baroque love for artful manipulation and reflective beauty, proving that drama can be achieved on any scale.